Today we are going to study about the arithmetic progression. Before I explain you what is arithmetic progression, I am going to write few number patterns on the board to explain what is arithmetic progression in an easy and simple way. I am just going to write some patterns, number patterns here, like 1, 3, 5, 7, so on, and 0, minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, so on. These are number patterns. These number patterns are generally called as sequences. What are sequences? Sequences are the arrangement of numbers in a definite order followed by some rule. Now let's come to what is arithmetic progression. I'm just going to explain you what is arithmetic progression on the board here. Arithmetic progression, which is called as AP. Arithmetic progression is the sequences which is written in the form of A1, A2, A3, A4 till AN. It is called as arithmetic progression if the difference between the term and the preceding term is always constant. That constant term is called as common difference. Let us see what is common difference here. Common difference, which is denoted by the small letter d. Common difference is nothing but a difference between a term and the preceding term. It means the difference between the second term and the first term is called as common difference. Yeah, you're right. It is known as common difference. It is really very important to know what is the use of common difference. So now we are just going to see, okay, what is the general form of an AP. I'm just going to write here general form of an AP. General form of an arithmetic progression. The general form of an arithmetic progression is very simple here. Okay, it can be written as A is called the first term, comma, A plus D, comma, A plus 2D, comma, A plus 3D, so on. So this is known as what? General form of an AP. Let us see how we can solve the questions related to general form of an AP. Okay, see here. I am going to write one question on the board. Like, okay, write AP. Write AP, which means arithmetic progression. If first term, that is A, equals to 10 and comma difference, that is D equals to 3. See here, this is very simple and easy question. Here we have to write AP, the general form of an AP, where the first term A is given as 10 and the common difference D is given as 3. Just now we discussed what is the general form of an AP. Very simple and very easy. I am just going to write here the general form of an AP. General form of an arithmetic progression. Okay, what is it? There is A, comma, A plus D, comma, A plus 2D, and so on. What is A? A is 10. So in place of A, there is 10. Then 10 plus, what is D here? It is 3. Yeah, right? Then 10 plus 2 into 3. Here, so 10 is going to be, when you add 10 plus 3, there is going to be 30. Now it's 10 plus 6. So 10 comma 13 comma is going to be 16. See here, the general form of an AP is 10 comma 13 comma 16, provided by the first term 10 and comma difference 3. Here one thing I want to tell you, okay, this is a sequence here, this is a series, this is an AP series. If you see the difference between these terms, you're going to see the difference is 3. Very simple and very easy. Yeah, after knowing what is common difference and what is the general form of an AP, now we are going to study about the nth term of an AP. Let us see what is nth term of an AP, which is very simple and easy. Nth term of an arithmetic progression. This nth term of an arithmetic progression is very simple and very easy and very useful also. Let us see what is the formula to find the nth term of an AP. An equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the formula. This is the formula to find the nth term of an AP, where n is the nth term, A is the first term, N is the nth term here and D is a common difference. How we can use this formula to find any question or any term in the given series of an AP. Let us see. I am having a question with me now. Here, find 10th term. Find 10th term of an AP where the series is given as 5, 1, minus 3, minus 7 and so on. Let us see, the series is very simple. 5, 1, minus 3, minus 7. Here we have to find the 10th term. 10th term. First I am just going to write the series here. The given series is 5, 1, minus 3, minus 7 and so on. Here in the formula we need the A, that is first term, and the common difference. These two are really very important to know. And we know how to find. See, A is the first term. What is the first term given to us? 5. That is right. 5 is the first term. Now our task is to find the D, that is common difference. D, already we studied the formula to find the common difference, that is A2 minus A1, right. A2, the second term minus the first term. See here, so D equals to, what is second term? Second term is 1 minus A1. What is A1? First term, that is 5. So D equals to 1 minus 5, that is minus 4. So D is minus 4 and A is 5. Now our task is to find the 10th term. So I am just going to apply the term formula here. That is N equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. What is the task? Task is to find the 10th term. So A10. A10 does mean that we are going to find the 10th term here. Okay, so according to our formula, A, what is A? First term. And first term is 5 here. So I am just going to write here 5 plus N minus 1. What is N here? 10. So 10 minus 1 into D. What is the common difference? That is minus 4. Yeah, minus 4. So 5 plus 10 minus 1 into minus 4. So here 5 plus 10 minus 1 is going to be 9 into minus 4. So 5 plus into minus 9 4s are 36. Okay, right? So 5 minus 36 is going to be minus 31. So the 10th term is minus 31. See, very simple and very easy. So I'm just going to solve few more questions which are related to this formula, which is known as the nth term in AP. That is N equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. And remember here, nth term is also known as the general term of it. Next question is, see, I'm just going to write the question on the board. Which term of an AP? I'm just going to write the AP series, that is 21, 18, 15, so on, is minus 81. This question is very simple and easy. Here, what exactly happened here? We have to find which term of an AP, the AP series is given, that is 21, 18 and 15, is minus 81. Here our task is to find which term is minus 81 is going to be. Here first term is 21, second term is 18, third term is 15, and 4th, 5th. So similarly, which term is going to be minus 81? So this is our task here. So we are just going to find which term is minus 81. I'm just going to write the given series here. That is 21, 18, 15, so on, is minus 81. So our last term is minus 81. So I'm just going to apply the term formula here. Okay, just now we studied the term formula, that is An equals to A plus N minus 1 into D, right? Here, we have to find the term. We don't know, okay, which term is minus 81 here. So what is A? A is going to be 21, very simple. A is going to be what? 21 here, plus, what is N? We don't know what is N. So N will be same as N, into what is D? D is a common difference. It's a difference between second term minus first term. So 18 minus 21, that is going to be minus 3, right? So minus 3 equals to, I'm just going to write here, last term, that is minus 81. So 21, see here, 21. So n minus 1 into minus 3. So I'm just going to multiply minus 3 with n minus 1. So plus into minus becomes minus here, and now 3 into n will be 3n. So minus 2 minus becomes what? Plus 3 ones are 3 equals to minus 81, right? So here 21 plus 3 is going to be 24 minus 3n equals to minus 81. Simple. So what is our task? Our task is to find the n value here. We have to find the value of n, right? We have to find the value of n. So I'm just going to transpose this 24 that side here. So what remains here? Minus 3n equals to minus 81 minus 24. So minus 3n equals to, it's minus to minus becomes plus here. So 81 plus 24 is going to be, we are right, it's going to be minus 105. So I'm just going to cancel minus and minus. So here we go with 3 ones are 3. It's going to be 3 3s are 9. 1 left. 3 5s are 15. So n is going to be what? 35. It means minus 81 is the 31st term. Okay. What does it mean? What does this mean? This means that minus 81 is 31st term. Minus 81 is 35th term. In this question also we are going to use the nth term. This is little bit different question compared to the earlier question. In earlier questions, AP series was given to us and we were asked to find the terms. But in this question, we have to determine the AP. It means we have to find the AP series here, whose third term is 5 and seventh term is 9. Here terms are given to us. Third term is given as 5 and seventh term is given as 9. And we are asked to find the AP series here. So this is little bit different compared to the earlier questions. Let us see how we can find by using the nth term formula in this given question here. And remember, it is one of the very important question which might ask frequently in the exam. Let us see how we can find the answer of this question. What is given? Third term is 5. Very simple here. Third term is given 5. It means A3 equals to 5, correct? A3 equals to 5 and seventh term is 9, correct? Seventh term equals to 9. It means A7 equals to 9. Here we are going to use the same term formula. Okay, just now we studied the term formula. What is term formula? That is n equals to a plus n minus 1 into b. Yeah. So now we are going to use the term formula for the third term as well as for the seventh term right here. See, in this question there is no series given to us. It means we do not have the first term a, neither we have the common difference d. So the first is what? The third term, that is given as 5. So here a is not available, so a same as a plus, in place of n we can write what? 3, third term. So 3 minus 1 into d is also not given to us, equals to what? 5, that is right. So a plus 3 minus 1 is 2, 2d equals to 5. So this is equation number 1 I am keeping as. Now I am going to apply the same term formula for the seventh term equals to 9. Here for the seventh term, a is not given, so a is same as a plus, and in place of n we can write what? 7. So I am writing here 7 minus 1 into d equals to what is given? 9. So a plus 7 minus 1 is going to be 6. 6d equals to 9. So this is our equation number 2. Now we are going to solve these two equations to get the first term a and common difference d. Once we got what is a and what is d, then we can determine the AP series here. Now I'm just going to solve these two equations here. What is the first equation? Yeah, a plus 2d equals to 5. Second equation is a plus 6d equals to 9. The first equation is a plus 2d equals to 5. And the second equation is what? A plus 6d equals to 9. See, we are just going to solve the first and second equation. Okay, we know how to solve these two equations. Simple. See, a and a both are same, so we can cancel them. But the thing is that whenever we are to cancel the terms, one term should be in plus and second term should be in minus. Both should be the same, and one should have the plus sign and second term should have the minus sign, as both are in plus. So I'm just going to change the sign of the second equations. This plus is going to become the minus, and this plus is also going to become the minus, and this plus is also going to become the minus. See here, it's plus and minus, both are same, so I'm just going to cancel them. So plus and minus got cancelled. What is remain? It's plus 2d minus 6d plus 5 minus 9 here. So 2d minus 6d is going to be minus 4d, right? E equals to 5 minus 9 is going to be what? Yeah, correct. It is going to be very simple. That is minus 4. So it's minus and minus cancel. 4 ones are cancel. So d equals to what? 1. See, we got the common difference, that is 1. Now we have to find the value of a. Okay, once we got what is first term a and common difference, then we can find what is the AP series. Now I'm just going to substitute this common difference in one of these equations in order to get what is a. So I'm choosing the first equation. What is the first equation here? A plus 2d equals to 5. So a plus 2 into what is d? D we got as 1 equals to 5. So a equals to 5. I'm going to 2 ones are 2. So 2 is going to transport that side. So it becomes minus 2. So a equals to 3. That is right. Now we have the common difference d, and we have the first one, that is minus 3. So it's very simple and very easy. But what is our task? Our task is to find the AP series here. So I'm just going to erase some part from the board in order to write the AP series here. I'm just going to erase this part here. Okay, hope there will be no problem for you. Yeah, I'm just going to erase this part here. See, what we want the AP series. So I'm just going to write the general form of it. AP here. General form of an arithmetic progression. What is it? Yeah, we already studied about that. That is a comma, a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, so on. But okay, if you are taking 3 terms, first 3 terms, that is enough. Okay, a. What is a? We got a as 3. So in place of a, I'm just going to write here 3. That's right. So what is a? 3 plus what is d? 1, comma 3 plus 2 into what is d? 1, so on. So 3 comma 3 plus 1 is going to be 4. Yeah, 3 7 is 3. 2 ones are 2. So 3 plus 2 will be 5. See here. So this is a required AP series, that is 3 comma 4 comma 5. So this is the way we can find the AP series when the terms are given to us. Yeah. A teacher is a person whose insights can become your foresight. A mentor, a teacher, is a guide and gives you the right direction. I want you all to become an interested student, because an interested student gets best out of the teacher. The best teacher will not give you something to drink, but they'll make you hungry and thirsty, and they'll put you on the way to seek your success by setting your goals in your life. And I want you all to set some goals in your life and put your all efforts to achieve it. Best of luck. See you in my next video. Thank you, everybody.